Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name is Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to graft a tiny moon cactus onto another cactus so that it will survive and you have a tiny moon cactus. This goes for grafting any other kinds of cactus as well. I made this cactus hanger for my girlfriend for Valentine's Day, and I gave her the little yellow bit. It's a baby off of one of my moon cactuses, and it would die if we don't graft it. And that is because it can't photosynthesize on its own, so it needs a green cactus to be able to do that. What we're doing here is just taking another tiny cactus that was a baby off of one of the green cactuses we had. What we're going to do to graft it is just take a super sharp knife, and you basically cut the bottom off of one cactus and the top off of another. So right here I've got a very sharp X-Acto knife. I will leave an Amazon link in the description to a set of those knives if you want. If not, any razor blade would work. Here I've pricked my fingers many times with these cactuses, and I had to pull the spines out of my fingers. So you might want to wear a pair of gloves doing this. I used a pair of tweezers to hold on to the moon cactus, but here I am slicing the bottom off of that. Now, once you've done that, you'll notice that there's one small circle. It appears to be like the center of that cactus. That's the important part. You want to find that on your green cactus as well. Those 2 points need to touch so that the cactus will graft successfully. So this is my first attempt at this, and I will be sure to keep you guys posted as to how it goes. Just adding a little bit of dirt to a pot. Ideally, you would have already had a potted cactus so that it would stand up straight on its own, but I had to make do with what we had. And here I'm using a little bit of string. It's string to make bracelets, and that's what I'm going to use to hold the two cactuses together. You could use rubber bands, I've read that. However, I don't think it would work in such a small case like this. It might work for larger cactuses that you don't have to be so delicate with. It took quite some time to get it to stay standing upright, probably about 10 minutes of undoing the string, redoing the string, setting the cactuses up proper, making sure that the circle in the middle actually touches on both the cactuses. Finally did get it. If this graft does fail, I have read that you can redo it by just cutting the bottom off of the moon cactus again and the top off of the regular cactus, the same one, and attempting it again. And I believe you could keep doing that until there's not much cactus left. It just might not look so pretty. So here I'm just using some scotch tape to hold the string down and then doing some final adjustments. I did get some clips a few days later that you could tell that the moon cactus is starting to shrink around the bottom where it was cut and heal itself around the other green cactus on the bottom. So I think it'll do pretty well. You should leave it for a few weeks, if not a month, before you take the string off, and then you should have a successful graft. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe learned something new, and I want to give a huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, especially Randy, Robinbert, and Mike Maxwell, the top tier Patreon supporters. If you guys want to support the things that I do and the videos I create, Patreon is an amazing way to do so, and I encourage you to check it out. There will be a card in the top right corner of the screen as well as in the description as always, and thank you guys again. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big ol' thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.